Hello students, welcome in 10th Maths Part 2 class. We have studied circle, in that we have studied tangent and other things. Today we are going to study in circle, that is inscribed angle. In this you see inscribed angle theorem. The theorem sentence is that the measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intersected by H. This is the angle ABC having a O center. It is given in a circle with the center O. Angle BAC is inscribed in an arc ABC. Sorry, BAC, and arc BD is intersected by this. This BDC is intersected by this angle. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle BAC is equal to major arc BDC. We are going to construct this. We are joining OA and OC, and the ray OA it intersects the circle at E point, see here, and draw the OC. This one ray is intersected here E, and this is joined. So that we see this here, one triangle is formed OAC. In this triangle, you can see that side OA is equal to OC. This OA is equal to OC because these are the radii of the same circle. And this angle OAC is equal to angle OCA because the theorem of isosceles triangle, this side and this is same isosceles. So that measure of this angle is angle OAC is equal to angle OCA is equal to X. Here we have denoted with X. So that it is a samika 1. And then next angle EOC. EOC, it is a central angle. So that angle EOC is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA. Exterior angle theorem. This is exterior angle. This is double of this. So that, but angle EOC is a central angle. Angle EOC is a central angle of this circle. So that major arc EC is equal to 2x. Definition of major of an arc. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get that angle OAC is equal to angle EAC is equal to half of major arc EC. This is major of EC. So similarly, draw a segment OB from this here, and we can prove that angle EAB is equal to angle EAB is equal to measure of half major arc EB. It is 4 equation. Therefore, angle EAC plus angle EAB is equal to half major arc EC plus half major arc B from 3 and 4. This 3 and this 4. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to half major arc EC plus major of arc BE. Here it is taken. And then, therefore, half major arc BEC is equal to half major arc BDC. You can see this one. This again we are going to see that the center of the circle lie one on one of the arm of angle, second in the interior of the angle, third is in the exterior of the angle. Out of these, first two are we have proved. In third and fourth, we will prove now in the third one. In this figure, see that angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle BAE minus angle CAE. Here it is given. Therefore, the half measure arc BCE minus arc CE, half measure CE. It is equation 3. Therefore, half measure arc BCE minus arc measure CE. This from full we are making it minus, so that we get that half measure BC. Half measure BC. The above theorem can also be stated as follows. The measure of angle subtended by an arc at a point on a circle is half of the measure of angles subtended by the arc at the center. Okay, you take this one. In this theorem, angle inscribed in the same arc are the congruent. These two angles are here at a Q point and at a S point. So that here some questions are asked that which arc is intercepted by angle PQR. This angle PQR, which arc is intercepted, that is PTR you will get. And another question is that which arc is intercepted by angle PSR. Angle PSR. This angle also intercepted the arc PTR. What is the relation between an inscribed angle and the intercepted by it? We have to draw write a proof and given. I have written here. You also do this one. Here given is a C, center point of a circle, and angle PQR and angle PSR inscribed in arc PQR. In this PQR. So we have to prove that angle PQR is equal to angle PSR. So proof we are going to see arc PTR is an intercepted inscribed angle PQR. This angle PQR intercepted this arc PTR, and another angle, see here, PQR is equal to half a major arc PTR, inscribed angle theorem. Then arc PTR is intercepted by the inscribed angle PSR. This arc is also intercepted here, this angle PSR. So therefore PSR is equal to, angle PSR is equal to half major arc PTR. So it is equation 2, intercepted angle theorem. From 1 and 2 we get that angle PQR is equal to angle PSR. This angle PQR major is equal to measure of angle PSR. That is true. In this next figure, angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Here you have to write that proof and given. What is given? Center point M having the angle ABC. And what we have to prove? That major angle ABC is equal to half major arc AXC. You write the given and prove. Here this half major arc is 180. So that half circle measure is 180. So half of this arc, this angle So if it is a 180 degree, then this angle will be 90 degree. It is a right angle angle. Thank you. You write this theorem and study it. We'll see in next